Today on our newsletter, we're going to show you MICROGREEN Motocross. It's a game changer. It's super hot days at the moment. We need to get a salad in fast. And we're going to show you a trick that we learned from Jeremy Mueller from Commonplace Farm. And he called this MICROGREEN Motocross. We started this in our second season, so this is 7 years now we've been harvesting like this. We use the Paperpot trays, the Quik cut greens harvester, the ramp on wheels, and our salad tubs on wheels as well, and we harvest on down. We'll show you this. The ramp is super simple. It's just using gravity to cut uphill, wheels on the back, handle on the front, and we just simply layer the trays on top. We've made the drill freestyle on the harvester for unloading easily, and here we go. Cut 2 before I unload, which is 800 grams, maybe a kilogram. So the greens harvester underneath the blade has about a 5mm panel, and the beauty of this is the panel sits on top of the ridge here of the tray, which really means we can cut close, but without cutting the soil, and so we're maximising the stem harvest. It's just seconds to cut a tray. And a beautiful tool for micros. The blade doesn't have to be that sharp for microgreens, so after we've used a blade in the field for field salad, we then switch that blade onto the microgreens and use that in here until we start to see it goes blunt. If the greens harvester is ripping the microgreens out, you probably didn't fill your soil firm enough, or your blade is starting to get blunt. The reason we use the ramp for cutting is we're cutting uphill using gravity, and we're also moving the ramp, the tub that the salad goes into, and the greens harvesters to the microgreens super quick. We're going to leave the numbers on our harvest time, total yield, grams per tray, income per harvest as well. And in another upcoming newsletter, we're going to talk about our DIY wheelie bin rubbish tin easy setup propagation area. It's beautiful to work at.